What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you another sets of equations and show you how to solve quadratic equations by completing this square. So the first example I want to show you is 4x squared plus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. So the first thing I need to do, I need to factor the first two terms. So I factor 4. It's going to be x squared plus 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2 minus 9 equals to 0. So then we have 2 divided by 2, which is going to be 1. 1 squared is going to be 1. So we have 4x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 minus 9 equals to 0. So we have 4. This part is going to be x plus 1 to the power of 2. And then we move it out. It's going to be 4 times negative 1. It's going to be negative 4 minus 9 equals to 0. So we have 4x plus 1 squared minus 13 equals to 0. So 4x plus 1 squared will be equal to 13. Therefore, x plus 1 to the power of 2 will be 13 divided by 4. So x plus 1 will be plus minus square root of 13 divided by 4. So x will be negative 1 plus minus 13 divided by 4. Next example will be negative 3x squared minus 18x minus 35 equals to 0. Answer will be, factor the first two terms. It's going to be x squared plus 6x minus 35 equals to 0. Then we have negative 3x squared plus 6x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is going to be 9. So plus 9 minus 9 minus 35 equals to 0. So we have negative 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 9 times negative 3 is going to be positive 27 minus 35 equals to 0. So we have negative 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 8 equals to 0. So we have negative 3x plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to positive 8. So x plus 3 to the power of 2 is going to be negative 8 over 3, because it's 8 over negative 3. So it's going to be x plus 3 to the power of 2 equals to negative 8 over 3. So as you see here, we make the perfect square, but the problem is there is no answer to this question, because on the left hand side we have squared and on the right hand side we have a negative number. So there is no way squared of something becomes negative. So it means that there is no answer to this equation here. It doesn't cross the x-axis. So there is no real number to be the roots or zeros or x-intercept of this quadratic equation. Now let's have next example. It will be 5x squared plus 20x plus 32 equals to 0. Answer is, factor 5 is going to be x squared for the first two terms plus 4x plus 32 equals to 0. Therefore we have x squared plus 4x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is going to be 4. Plus 4 minus 4 plus 32 equals to 0. Then we have 5x plus 2 to the power of 2. 5 times negative 4 is going to be negative 20. You kick it out. Plus 32 equals to 0. So we have 5x plus 2 squared plus 12 equals to 0. So then we have 5x plus 2 squared equals to negative 12, or x plus 2 squared is going to be negative 12 divided by 5. So again, since the square root of this expression equals to a negative number, it means that there is no real solution to this example. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and you can also subscribe this channel to have access to different videos and different playlists regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.